chapter 到哪儿去了？还有2个小朋友比老师来了。Hello, Evan.
Hello，老师。
Hello, Enzo. Hello, Brandy. 来了 chapter the butter. Okay, so boys, are you ready for the calculation test first? Paper and paper. Paper and paper. Okay. Enzo 准备好了吗 ？Chapter 和 Tiny
我玩游戏。
OK，准备好了 ？One, two, go。加油啊！5分钟。
Hello?
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah?
Okay, yeah, 5 minutes, okay?
Okay. Wait, I need a pen.
加油！
小声一点。 Done.
说完了吗？
Yes.
Ooh, chapter, good job. You did it exactly. 在5分钟 exactly 做完了. Good job. Okay, so please count how many of the question you did, everybody, okay?
We had 2 questions left.
Okay, 每个小朋友数好以后发 chat 给老师啊。
先给你拍照。不要擦，不要擦，擦什么？手拿开。
Okay, Brandy, good job. Brandy 就差一点点啦。是不是 ？Brandy，你还记不记得你刚来的时候，是不是天天就想哭一做题？有没有？现在是不是好了 ？Right? So it's just a little bit uncomfortable. Evan，你是怎么做出来54题的？一共50题。Evan, the fish. Okay, 44. Very good. Okay. Almost everybody is over 40. Everybody over 40. Some of you get even 47 or 50 or some people 44. That's almost to the exactly something I'm looking forward to get it from you. Very good. Okay, everybody. Good job. Very, very happy with all of you. Okay. Okay, so everybody, we are going to learn one thing today. It's pretty hard. Okay. Chapter, we learned it before, okay? And Enzo, we learned it before. The other student, they didn't learn it before. But let's see if you still remember how to do it, okay, Chapter and Enzo. So before we learn the thing, everybody, I want to ask you a very simple question. Let me just go back to that one. Do you know what is angle? What is angle? So what does angle represent? It's angle, they have, sorry, let me see. Let me just to show you. So everybody, if you have, sorry, let me show you here. If you have a point, everybody, right? And on this point, you have 2 lines, 2 rays, we said, right? And this one is called angle, correct, everybody? Get it, everybody? Okay, so this is called angle. So that means if you have anything, 有一个点，然后有2条线，是不是都可以 create an angle，对不对？好，那老师问你们 ，Do you know how to read a clock? Do you know how to read a clock?
Yeah.
对不对？有学过的啊。OK， 那我们在 clock 上面是不是有一个 ？So there is a dot， 对不对？这里是12，这边是6，这边是3，这边是9，这边是1、2，这边是4、5。So 7, 8, and 10, 11. So we have a longer one, which is what? Is minute hand? Sorry, smaller one, longer one, minute hand, and smaller one. What is the name of that?
Hour hand.
Hour hand.
Very good. And also, this whole clock has been cut into how many pieces? It's exactly 12 pieces. Okay, so now let me ask you a very simple question, okay, boys? There is a clock, okay? And because you know, each of the hour, there are 12 hours, 对不对？所以说这个表是不是被分成12份? So I want to ask you, each of the angle, are they the same or not the same?
Same.
They're the same. Okay, so who can tell me each of the angle, what is the degree of that? So let me tell you, the whole entire clock, 这个整一个圆是360 degrees. 然后呢，被平均分成了12份。So each portion,
30 degrees.
I heard somebody said what?
30 degrees.
Thank you, chapter. Why it is 30 degrees? Who can tell me? Why it is 30 degrees? Evan.
360 divided by 12.
Very good. 360 divided by 12. So that's why each of the degree is 30. Understand, everybody? Okay, so I want you to do the same thing like me. Draw a clock on your paper. Now, everybody, please do that. OK， 小朋友们画好了吗？
Yeah.
Okay, so if you finished, okay, so let's take a look at this one. So let me ask everybody a question, okay? So if 老师说 chapter 肯定知道怎么做啊 ，7，怎么没有笔？怎么是这样？What happened? Why it's like that? 1 second. Everybody, can you see it? Yeah, we can see it. So if it is 7 o'clock, okay, so I want you to tell me what is the degrees formed by the minute hand and hour hand. So let's see, 7 o'clock. So if it is 7 o'clock, we will have what? We will have this minute hand is pointing 12, correct, everybody? Okay, minute hand is pointing 12. How about the hour hand? Is pointing 7, correct? So everybody take a look, 7 o'clock, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. How many 30 is there? 5 times 30. So the answer is 150 degrees. Get it, everybody? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Who can tell me? 9 o'clock. What is the degrees of the formed by the minute hand and hour hand? And everybody, 你们应该在你们的纸上面有这个，对不对？跟老师一样画出来，把它画出来。
Do we send it?
Please send it to me. Okay, everybody, I have received your answer. Okay, very good. Okay, so I'm going to just, very good. Okay, so because the minute hand is only still doing the 12, so the 9 will be here. So it's 30, 30, 30 will be 90 degrees. Good job, everybody. Very good. So now I'm going to do it a little bit harder, okay? So boys and boys. So let's just take a look at this one. So the first question is 4 o'clock. Second one is 5 o'clock. The last one is a little bit hard, okay? It's 9:30. Okay, so please calculate 4 o'clock, what is a degree? 5 o'clock, what is a degree? And 9:30, what is the degrees of that? Okay, I have received some answers, okay? Athene, Evan, Enzo, Brandy, chapter 你的答案呢 ？chapter 还没给我。Okay, I've received chapters, so let's take a look at this one. So let's take a look at 4 o'clock, okay? So this is minute hand, this is hour hand. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 120 degrees, but chapter, you're right, okay? So this could be 120 degrees, but if you think about this one, it could be 240 degrees. Very good, chapter. Okay, so let's take a look at 5 o'clock. It's gonna be 150 or 210. But when we're talking about the angle, we just talk about this one which is smaller than 180. So 120, 150, it is right. Evan the fish, congratulations, you get both of them right. Brandy, you get it right as well. Okay, so Enzo is giving me the bigger one. It is fine as well, okay? But we're usually using the one which is smaller than 180. So let's take a look at the last one, it's 9:30. So everybody, let's take a look at what is 30. So when it's 30 degrees, this one is pointing what? Pointing 6, right? But 9, this is 9, but this is 9:30 will be exactly middle of between 9 and 10, correct, everybody? So let's see, this is 30, this is 30, this is 30, and this is what? This is 15 degrees, right? Because it's half of the 90, 15, sorry, 30. So it's 15 degrees. So what is 930? 930 is 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 15. So the answer is 105 degrees. 差了一点点就对了，小朋友们，对不对？ Okay, almost right, almost right. Okay, so now let's just do this one. The question one is 8:30. And next one is 2:30. And the third one is 5:30. Okay, so 3 questions. Please tell me what is the answer for them.
Is that a 30?
Yeah, 30. Sorry. Okay, Brandy has sent me the answer. Evan has sent me the answer. Athene has sent me the answer. I'm waiting for Enzo and Chapter. Okay, so Chapter and Enzo just sent me the answer. Good job. So let's take a look at this one. 8:30. So again, this is 30. Okay, so this is 8. This is 8:30. So let's take a look at this one, everybody. If you take a look at this one, so this is 30, this is 30, this is 15. So 30 plus 30 plus 15 equals 75 degrees. Okay, if you are making any mistakes, please correct it and take a look at why you're making these mistakes. Okay, so let's take a look at 2:30. So what is a 2? So 2 is here, so 2:30. So let's see. So 2 is here, 30 is still here. So 1, 2, 3, 30 degrees, so which is 90. 90 plus this one is 15, so it's 105 degrees. Okay, so let's take a look at last one, 5:30. So 5:30, remember, 我们做这个题目一定要把图画出来啊。So 30在这里 5在哪里啊？ 5 is here. But it's 5:30, so it's going to be here. So what is a degree? Only this little tiny degrees here. So it's 15 degrees. Get it, everybody? Okay, so the answer is 75, 105, and 15. So Brandy, congratulations, you get them all right. And Evan, the fish, just a little bit problems, but do you get it where you're making mistakes? Okay, so we're going to just do one last one. Why have this one? This is so ugly. So let's take a look at this one. So I'm going to give you one question, which is 130 as a review, and 2 is 730 as a review, and 3, 4 is going to be something new, okay? So for instance, who can tell me where the minute hand goes if I want you to do the 4:15? This is 4, right? And where's the minute hand? The minute hand of 15 is what? Pointing exactly 3. Understood, everybody? So let's see. So this is 4 o'clock, but 4:15 will be a little bit more, but not exactly go to half yet. So who can tell me this one is exactly what are they? So you can see if it is 3:30, it will be like cutting half. Now, 3:15, cut it quarter. Understand? So it's using 1 hour and cut them into 4 equal pieces. So this one altogether is 30 degrees. So each of the one, what is it degrees? Who can tell me? 30 divided by 4. So equals 7.5 degrees. Okay, so that's why if I'm asking you 4:15 equals what? So this is a 30, this is a 7.5, so it's 37.5 degrees. Understood, everybody? Okay, so now I'm going to use another one. I'm going to use another one, okay? So how about 6:15? So let's do this. 15, the minute hand is still pointing 3. So 6 is where? So this is 6. We're going to be a little bit more than 6. So it's going to be like that. So 15, 15, 15. And this one will be what? 7.5. You know that. Sorry, 30, 30 and 30. What I'm doing. So 30 plus 30 plus 30 equals 90 plus 7.5 equals 97.5. Understand, everybody? Okay, so now we have 11:15 and 5:15. Okay, so 4 questions. I want you to do these 4 questions and send it to me by chat. 老师去倒一杯水喝啊。 哎呀，我水又忘了拿下。OK，Evan chapter 发给我了，加油。Evan 老师说，经常是算那个小的角度啊，你看看要不要改一下？你都对的，你看看有没有一个大。OK，好，我们现在来讲一下啊。So let's take a look at this one, 130. 130 is very easy. So 30 and 1. Okay, so 15 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 430, 120 plus 15 equals 135. Okay, if you make mistakes, take a look which part you're making mistakes. 有没有画图? Okay, so I've been emphasized this for a lot of times. If you didn't do the things, 一定要画图，一定要像老师一样画图。如果题目不对，那就肯定题目都不对。So 730, everything is the same, but you just move this one to here. Okay, so this one is 15, this one is 30. So the answer is 30 plus 15 equals 45 degrees. Okay, so 11, 15. Let's take a look at something like looks very scary, looks hard. So 11, 15. So 11, 15. So this is 11, this is 15. So let's take a look at this one. So we're just doing this one, okay? So everybody, this is 30, this is 30, this is 30, I know, but what is this one? But we only know this is 7.5. And the total is 30. So who can tell me what is degree of this one? 22.5. It's 30 minus 7.5. So it's 90 plus 22.5 equals 112.5. Okay. This one's a little bit hard, right? But if you give me the answer as 247.5, you're right. Okay, because you calculate this one. Okay, so Evan, you calculate this one, and I told you it's usually talking about the smaller one. 那怎么做啊? 360 minus 247.5, because the whole circle is 360. Understand? So it's 112.5. So you get it right. Okay, Evan, congratulations, you get it right. Okay, and I think chapter you got it right as well. Okay, last one, 515. So this is 15. This is 5. But 515 will be a little bit more. So this is 7.5. So this is 30. This is 30. So the answer is 67.5. Athene, good job. Brandy, good job. Evan, good job. And chapter, good job. Chapter, you get all right. Good job. Okay, everybody. So let's just try to do another set of the numbers. So we're going to move forward. And I tried to tell you something different. Okay, so next one is 9:15. Number 2, 12:15. Number 3, 4:45. And then number 5, 5:45. Okay, so let's take a look at 4:45 first. I'm going to teach you how to do 1:45. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So again, when we do those questions, we need to know exactly where these clock hand goes to. So 45 is here. So this is 1, this is 1:30, and this is 1:45, correct? So we're going to exactly calculate this one. So 30, 30, 30, 30. But what is the degree of this one? So 45 is exactly if you cut them into half, so it'll be 15. So this one is exactly cutting this one into 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 equal part, and each part is 7.5 degrees. So this one is exactly covered 1, 2, 3, 3 parts. So it's 22.5. So it's 120 plus 22.5. So the answer is 142.5 degrees. Understand? Okay, so if you don't understand, you just think about it. 45 over 60 equals what? 3/4. So it's exactly just cutting this 1 hour angle into 4 equal parts. Okay, and you have finished the 3 parts. So that's why it's 22.5. Okay, so let's just do another one for this 45 questions. So how about Enzo? You give me a question. So like what 45? Any number. Enzo?
3:45.
3:45. So we put it, this one's actually hard. So this is the 3 o'clock. Everybody? So this is 3:45, correct? This is 3:30. This is 3:45. 3:30 是15度，45在15度上面再加7.5度。So this is 22.5. So what is this? 7.5. So how do we do this? 30, 30, 30, 30, and 30. So 150 plus 7.5 equals 157.5. Okay, so everybody, when you do those questions, Enzo, okay, and Evan and Brandy, 每一个小朋友，如果你们不把图画出来，老师都会做错的。Okay, you have to have the picture drawn. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. Your turn. "我去拿一下水啊，小朋友。 没有，有3个小朋友做好了，还有2个小朋友没做好，加油啊！out, out. 我们家小狗都跑到我房间来。我觉得 Athenia， 我感觉好像我在给草泥马上课。你们看，Athenia 就是3只草泥马在看着我们。OK， 好，我们来看一下。So 9:15, everybody. I'm going to first just to look at 9:15, okay? So this is 15, right? So we're just having a line like pointing 3. So 9:15. 是不是跟这个 9:45 很像啊？就稍微多一点点，对不对？OK， 好，那我们来看看。This 15 is 7.5, we know. So it's 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. So it's 180 plus 7.5. All you can do is what? At 180 minus 7.5. And for the smaller angle, it's 172.5. Very good. 基本上所有的小朋友都对了啊。Very good. Okay, so now let's take a look at 那小朋友有人做错的看一下自己什么地方做错了 OK, so 12:15. So 12:15. So this is 15. This is 12:15. So it's a little bit more. So this one 7.5. 你永远记得这个小的角度是 7.5. 那剩下大的是多少 22. So it's 30 plus 30 plus 22.5 equals 82.5. Brandy, good job. Chakra, good job. Evan, good job. Athene, good job. Okay, so let's take a look at Enzo. 我不知道你有没有画图啊？你要把图画出来 ，understand？ 好，下面是 4:45 和 5:45. This is chocolate flavor. It's gonna kill you. You cannot eat it. I'm sorry, my dog is very greedy and he wants to eat some. 哎呦，你喜欢吃啊？你等下给你吃别的，好不好？ Did you hear that? He's talking to me. He's like, he's very, very tan. Okay, so let's take a look at 4:45. So 45 is pointing 9 and 4 is here. That's a 4:30. That's 4:45. Okay, so let's calculate this one. So what is this one? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 120 plus 7.5. So it's 127.5. Very good. Okay, last one. 哎呀，不会吃啊，你不用叫啦。真是这个人素质太差了，我们家人。吵架，听到吗大家 ？Did you hear that chapter? Yeah, he's like, 啊，妈妈你好坏，不给我吃。So this is 5. This is 5:30. Sorry. So 5:45 will be what? Will be even more than that. So this is 40. This is 45. Okay. So compare with 4:45. 5:45 is what? Exactly. Just a minus 30. So it's 90 plus 7.5. It's 97.5. Evan 懂了吗？哎，这个错了一点点，对不对？错了一点点，别的都对的啊。Brandy 很好，那 Cindy 也非常好 ，Very good。Chapter 全对 ，OK，Good job。OK，so now I'm going to give you 4 questions, everybody. So it's going to be all the questions combined together, okay? So 4:30, this is first question. Second one is 12 o'clock. The third one is 6:15. Last one is 9:45. Okay, everybody, 4 questions, please. Okay, I have received all of them. Let me see each of them one by one, okay? So 4:30, let me ask Enzo, can you tell me what is your answer for 4:30? And how,
For 4:30, that'll equal 75 degrees.
so that's 75 degrees. So let's see. So 30 is here. So 4 is here. Okay, so let's see. Enzo, do you have the same thing like me have? 有没有跟我一样？有没有跟我一样有这个图？如果你跟我老师一样有这个图，那我们来看 4:30， 那这个角度是不是 this one, right? So from 5 to 6, what is the degrees of that?
From 5 to 6 is 30.
And 4 to 5, 这边呢？一半，对不对？刚好一半。So the half of 30 degrees is what?
15.
Yeah, so 30 plus 15 equals what?
45.
45 degrees. Understand?
Understand.
Okay, so next one. So 12 o'clock. Evan the fish. Can you tell me 12 o'clock equals what?
0. 0 degrees.
Very good. 0 degrees. Okay, last one. 6:15. Brandy.
97.5 degrees.
97. So let's take a look at this one. So 6:15. So 15 is where? Is here. Right? So 6 is here. So 6:15 will be somewhere over here. So 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus what? 7.5. So the total is 97.5. Very good. Okay, last one. Chapter the butter.
22.5.
22.5. So let's see if you get it right or not. Okay. So this is 9:45 and this is 9. So you can see it's just that little tiny angle. So it's 22.5. Very good. Chapter the butter. Good job. Okay, everybody, I think you understand this one very well. Okay. So now let's move forward to the thing. And Brandy learned very good. Okay, Thinny 先走了 Thinny 学的也很好。Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 我知道小朋友们非常非常非常讨厌 word problem, right? But we need to, it's okay. Oh, Brandy 喜欢的. Okay, very good. Okay, so let's take a look at number 1. So who can read the question for me? Chapter.
A teacher has a bag of sweets. If she gives each student 3 sweets, she is left with 16 sweets. If she gives each student 5 sweets, she needs another 4 sweets. How many students are there? How many sweets does the teacher have?
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Try to do it yourself. Okay, so boys and girls, no girls, sorry. Our teacher has a bag of sweets. Okay, so do we know she has how many? No. Chapter 我们知不知道还有多少个 ？Evan 不知道 ，Brandy 知不知道？不知道，对不对？好了 ，Do we know how many students are there? We don't know. We don't know. But she gives each student 3 sweets. She was left with 16 sweets. 好了，我们能不能说，有 多少个小朋友？如果我们说我们有 x 个小朋友，可不可以？OK， so x times 3 plus 16，是不是一共老师有多少个？有多少个 sweets, right? Okay, so if she gave a student 5 sweets， 那每个小朋友是不是拿5个？ She needs another 4 sweets, is minus 4, correct? So how many students are there? How many sweets does she have altogether? 是不是把这个两个加起来就可以了？ Okay, so this is doing by the algebra. We also have another way of doing that, okay? So if each student receives 3 sweets, 16 sweets are left. If each student receive 5 sweets, the teacher will be short of 4 sweets. So that means 开始的时候多出来几个？16个，对不对？后面又少了几个？4个，对不对？ So we're doing the excess and the shortage together equals 20. So 16 plus 4 equals 20. And what are the differences in the number of the sweets given? 2. Because the first time you give 3, the second time you give 5. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. So how many students there? So you're just using 20 divided by 2 equals 10 students. And how many sweets are there? So 10 times 3 plus 16, or 10 times 5 minus 4. So equals 46. And this one is also 46. Get it, everybody? Okay, take a look and you can just OK， 好，小朋友们记下来了吗？
有
Okay, so let's take a look at the next one, okay? So Mr. Miller buys a basket of apples for his family. If 4 apples are taken every day, 24 apples will be left. If 6 apples are taken every day, the family needs another 8 apples for the same number of days. How many days can the basket of apples last? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 一样的，如果每次拿4个呢，就多了24个；每次拿6个呢，就少了8个，是不是一样的？你要干嘛？你要干嘛？哎，大家快看他，他讨不讨厌？哎，讨不讨厌 ？Brandy， 你看这个狗讨不讨厌？超级讨厌，一直在扒门。哎呀，干嘛你？ 哎呀，做好了告诉老师啊，我先把它丢出。
是这个。
做好了吗？有2个小朋友做好了。You don't understand, Evan? So 你看前面那个题目，你就跟前面一个题目对比。前面一道题目了，每个老师如果给3颗糖，他就多了16颗，对不对？每个老师给5颗糖就少了4颗。那你看这里也是，每次拿4个 apple 多24个 apple, so 24. So if 6 apples were taken every day, then need another 8. So 24 plus 8. So you plus the excess 多出来的和少的加起来。Okay, so equals 32. And every time you see it's 4 and 6. So it's take 4, you have 24 more. You take 6, you have 8 less. So it's 6 minus 4 equals 2. So how many days? So 32 divided by 2 equals 16. Very good, chapter the butter. Okay, so how many days can the basket of the apple lasts? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So you see, so the excess and shortage is 32, correct, Evan and Brandy? Understand? Okay, so the difference is that the apple eaten is 2. So 32 divided by 2 equals 16. So last is 16 days. So 16 times 4 plus 24 equals 88. Or 16 times 6 minus 8 also equals 88. Understood? Okay, chapter, good job. You get it right. Okay, so let's take a look at number 3. That's the same thing. Okay, so 看一下第3题. The student from the Greenwood Primary are going for a holiday trip. If each bus takes 40 students, there will be 16 vacant seats. 是不是多出来16个位置啊? So which is excess, right? If each bus takes 36 students, 20 people will not get the seat. 那是不是多出来20个人啊? So 16 plus 20 equals what? 36. Correct, Freddie? Okay, so you can see the bus takes 40 or 36. What is the difference? Is 40 minus 36 equals 4. So 36 divided by 4 equals 9. So there are 9 buses there. So how many students? So 9 times 40 minus 16 equals 360 minus 16 equals 344. Or you can do 9 times 36 and time plus 20 because there are 20 students, there's no seats. So it's 314 plus 20 equals, huh? Sorry, 324. So 36 times 9 equals 4 and 324. So 324 plus 20 equals 340. Get it? Okay, so now let's take a look at the question. Let's try to do what number 1, okay? The teacher is giving their student a riverboat excursion. If each boat can take 8 students, 6 students will not be able to go for the excursion. If each boat can take 10 students, there will be still room for 8 more students. How many boats are there and how many students are there? Okay, that's the same thing. OK， 我看到有小朋友，哎，答案有点不一样。我们来看看啊，说 excess 多出来的什么？第一道题目里面多出来什么？8个小朋友。第二道题目里面呢，多出来几个小朋友？哦，sorry。如果 take a student, there will 6 students will not be able to go to the excursion， 所以有6个小朋友多出来了，对不对？If each boat can take 10 students, there will be room for 8 more students， 所以8个小朋友少了。So 6 plus 8 equals what? Equals 14. Okay, so 14 divided by what? Divided by the first time you take 8, the second time you take 10. So it's 14 divided by 10 minus 8. So it's 7 boats. Okay, so how many students are there? So each boat can take 8 students. So 7 times 8, 6 students not going to go in. So 6. So 56 plus 6 equals 62 students. If each boat can take 10 students, there was still room for 8 more. So 7 times 10 minus 8. So it's 70 minus 8 equals 62. So you see these two answers are the same. So that's the answer is right. Good job, Brandy. Very good. But it's not 14 boat. It's 7. Yeah.
I accidentally looked at my before notes and then
Yeah. But Evan, very good. Evan, 你把7个船做出来了，非常好，对不对？后面有一点点没有算对。Okay, good job, Evan. Very good. Brandy 和 Evan 2个人的答案拼在一起就全对了。Okay, so that's called teamwork. Okay, so very good. Good job. Okay, so let's take a look at number 2. Chapter and Enzo, 加油啊！ Okay, I have received the chapters and brandies. Check your answer 啊，不要把计算做错了。你们两个人有可能计算有一个人计算错。计算做错了就 very 可惜。OK， 好了，有人改过来了。Okay, good job. Let's take a look at this one. Okay, so a teacher has a bag of sweets. Okay, so if she gave each student 10 sweets, she left with 24. So this is excess, right? If she gave 12, then she needs another 14. So that means she is 24. So first one, excess plus shortage equals 24 plus 14 equals 38. Everybody, right? So Ansel, let's take a look at this one. First time she gave 10, second time she gave 12. So what is the differences between first time and second time? It is 2. Correct? Okay,
Yeah.
so 38 divided by 2 equals 19. So exactly, there are 19 students here. So everybody, you get it right. So let's take a look at this one. How many candies are there? So 19 student, if she gave each student 10 candy, she has 24 left. So it's 190 plus 24 equals 214. I'm not sure if it is I get it right or not. I can check 19 times 12 and minus 14. So the answer is also 214. So you get it right. And so you're the only one who didn't give me anything. So do you understand what we're doing right now?
Yes,
But why you're not sending me any answers?
because I don't understand.
So now you understand?
Yes,
Okay, so next question, I hope you can send me some answers, okay? It's everything the same. It's just the same thing. So let's take a look at number 3. During a new school term, one of the primary 3 classes will have only 20 students if principal puts 35 primary 3 students to a class. If she put 30 students in a class, 15 students will not have classroom. How many primary 3 classes are there supposed to be? How many primary 3 students are there in the school? Okay, let's take a look at this one. 这个题目不要去被它害怕到啊，它有好多什么乱七八糟的东西。It's not really relevant. Okay, I have received chapters, the butter. Okay, so Enzo, do you understand how to do this question?
Kind of confusing.
So why you're not asking questions?
我怕。
你怕？你怕什么？老师穿过屏幕出来咬你？我又不是贞子。I don't have the ability to go through the screen, okay? And I'm not going to scream at you. If you don't know how to do it, ask me. You cannot pretend to be you understand. Understand?
Okay.
Okay, so the math is the only thing that you want to study, you understood. If you don't understood, then you ask questions. So said, there are a class, right? We'll have only 20 students. If the principal put 35 primary 3 students to the class, okay, if she put 30 students, 她如果放每一个班级放20个人的话 right? Well, we'll have only 20 students if the principal put 35 students to the class, sorry. 也就是说，他如果每个班级放35个人的话 it's going to be 20 students left, right? If she put 30 students in the class, 15 students will have no classroom. Understand? So this is an English class. It's an English question, 对不对？多出来了多少？一次是少了20个，一次是多了15个。So equals 35. So 35 comes from where? Comes from 35 and 7. Very good, Brandy. So it's 35 divided by 5 equals 7 classroom. Okay, so how many students are there? Is 7 times 20 plus 35 equals 100. No, sorry. 7 times 35 plus 20 minus 20 equals 245 minus 20 equals 225. Or it is 7 times 30 plus 15 equals 225. Okay, Brandy? The 7 classroom is really good. You get it, okay? But instead of 245 minus 20, 你做了加，你看他说 there will be only 20 students out if they put 35. Understand? 对不对？好了，那怎么来避免你这个错误啊？你把2个条件都用一遍。你如果下面是 7 times 30 plus 15, 你就知道你错了，因为2个答案做出来要一样才对的。Understand, Brandy? Very good. But you successfully get 7 classes. Very good. Okay, so Evan and Chapter, you need to read the question very properly. Okay, 把题目读清楚就行了。OK， 好，下面一道题目 ：If each volunteer in a tree planting project plants 4 trees and 5 trees will be left。就是说，每次如果种4棵 多了5棵树，对不对？ If each plants 7, then one volunteer will have nothing to plant. 也就是说什么？少了7棵树。Correct? Okay. How many volunteers are there in the tree planting class? How many trees? That's the same thing. Okay. 好，我们再来看下面一道题目。Alvin has some marbles to give away. If he gives each of his friends 10 marbles, he will be left with 8 marbles. If he gives each friend of 14 marbles, he will short of 12 marbles. How many friends does Alvin have? And how many marbles does he have? It's the same thing. OK, 算一下，多出来多少，对不对？少了多少，把它们加起来，然后除以什么？除以 every time。第一次他给了10颗，第二次他给了14颗。So what is the differences? OK? Enzo, understand? Brandy, the class is not over yet because I started late today. Yeah, right? Mhm.
Each one wants 10 marbles. You'll be left with 8 more.
Doctor 给我答案了 ，Brandy 给我答案了 ，Evan 再算一算 ，Evan 就差一点，5分钟到了。OK， 看看几个小朋友，你看他如果每个小朋友给10个，他还多了8个，你一共几个小朋友？几个小朋友？
5.
有5个小朋友，对不对 ？So each student，each 小朋友他给了几个 ？Each of her friends, he gave it 10. So 10 times 5, and then what? Plus 8. Get it? Right? So it's 58 marbles. Okay, very good. So let's just go through it. Okay. So first of all, Enzo. 如果他每个小朋友给10个 marble， 他多出来8个 ，OK？ 如果他每个小朋友给14个 marble， 他少了12个，那8加12等于多少 ？So every time is 多出来的和少的加起来等于多少？8加12等于多少
20.
？20。OK？ So 那这个20怎么会出来的 ？Because the first time 他每次都给别人10个，后来他每次给别人几个？14个 ，so it's 14 minus 10 equals what? Equals 4个 ，understand? So 20 divided by 4 equals 5. So it's 5 students, 5 friends. So, and Evan, very good. You got a 5, right? So 5 times 10 plus 8 equals 58. And 5 times what? If you want to check if you're right or not, it's 5 times 14 minus 12, because if he gave everybody 14 marbles, he will short of 15, so 12. So 17 minus 12 equals 58. So both of them are 58. So you get it right. Brandy, very good this time. And Chapter, very good. You get it right as well. Understand? Both of you? Okay, very good. Okay, so that's it for our today's class. Okay, good job, everybody. We did very good. Okay, so I want to just to make sure that during the Christmas time, I want you to overview all the classes, because everything, the video is still in the in the Google Classroom. Okay, so if you have any problems, like I said, 一开始的时候，我们这个钟表的这个 clock 是不是有人忘记了？是不是有点忘记了，对不对？但是我们稍微 review 一下又回来了。Okay, so this short and excess questions is also like sometimes Chapter makes some stupid mistakes, right? And sometimes Evan makes some cute mistakes. But it's okay. Like everybody make mistakes. But Brandy and Enzo, as long as you understand it, and you will know how to do it for sure. Correct? Okay. Everybody makes mistakes, but we need to understand it. Okay. So everybody, that's it for today's class. And I wish you have a very wonderful Christmas, and we're going to see each other on January. Okay. So you have a vacation trip or how to say a gap. Okay. Enjoy your Christmas time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.